Where are we going
nice.
next?
We're just going. We hear there's some good candy from the old lady over there.
Ooh.
You know, yeah.
I'd be careful.
You think so?
I've heard rumors.
But she has the good candy though. You heard rumors.
Well, that's what they're saying. But then they walk out of the house and they're all like,
oh my god.
And they grow ears.
And they grow ears and they're just like coughing up fur balls too?
Yeah, they're all like,
oh no.
I'd be careful.
Okay, I'll be sure.
You don't want to be coughing up fur balls.
Oh, definitely. Like, maybe we should stay here with like the chainsaws.
Yeah, I'm friendly.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely.
We could eat a turkey leg together.
Oh yeah, yeah. Who needs candy when we have turkey legs? Yeah.
Exactly.
Exactly.
He's so silly.
I know, definitely.
Okay, so it's gonna be the last 2 hours. No, I'm talking about look scared. Huh? They look scared.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I love these guys.
Yeah.
I think the audio for Candy Kudos is still going on. The audio is still going on. Good. I love him. What a freak! She was smelling her exhaust. Yeah, no, the guest was smelling the exhaust from her chainsaw.
Okay, I like it, but not that much.
Yeah, not that much. Yeah. Whoa! Oh! Got me again.
Every time.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Nice. Thought it's something like back there or something. I don't know. Amazing, incredible. Oh, yeah, nice. I love that guy. So good.
Oh, he has one too!